Today is January 15th, 2024, and I finally finished the 62 bug restoration, and today I'm getting it out of the shop and into the hands of its owner. Today it's going back home. I started this project in February of 2022, so it's been 2.5, almost 3 years now that it's been with me. And here's what it looked like when I first brought it home. And yeah, it was pretty rough. Still a beautiful car, but here it is as it sits today, driving under its own power out of the shop and onto the road. I am beyond excited to get it back to its owner, but there are some things that I learned along the way that I wanted to share with you, and today I'm going to go over those things in this video. The first thing I learned, and arguably the most valuable, is I don't think I want to own a business. And the reason for that is, while this project was really awesome and a super good experience, it kind of taught me some things about myself. I tend to get really stressed out over things, especially when, the project I'm doing is not mine, especially when it's, a big project. It's going to take a lot of time. And I'm a chronic procrastinator, and I really had to kind of kick myself in the butt a lot of times throughout this process to really actually get it done. I don't know that I knew what I was getting into back in 2022 when I first took on the project. I believe I was 16 years old, and I was like, oh yeah, I've done a Volkswagen before. I can do this one. Well, the difference is I did a race car, and there's no detail in a race car. You just remove everything unnecessary. With this car, there are so many details, so many things, so many systems that I had never even looked at before. And it honestly was a great learning experience, but I found myself overwhelmed quite often. And that feeling of being overwhelmed, it's debatably a good thing. It's good for your mental growth and your ability to do hard things. But the honest truth is that I'm really glad that I did this project. But I don't think I'm actually going to do any more paid projects. I think I tried it, and I'm really happy I did, but I just don't think the world of owning a small business is for me. And I'm actually really happy I found that out. I think one of the toughest things about this project was watching it drive away finally, because it's been such a part of my life for so long, and now it's not my car. I got to give it back. I think this car is it's really special, and I'll forever remember this project fondly, because it really is my first full restoration. And with that, move on to the next.